Good afternoon, everybody. I know say it's 2021. I know say na my first video this, and I did do am with pleasure because I be really don't say sometimes certain things and they and for just say you know what ignore.com and just move. We move. But I'm happy that Alhamdulillah 2021 don't start with peace and harmony, and this is the year of peace. This is the year of focusing on agriculture. This is the year focusing on gender equality, and this is the year focusing on promoting tourism for our country, Sierra Leone. I want to say thank you to all my many fans, them, to all my many love people that will like me, to people that will in the fence, to people that will I like I do it in another for like me. I wish you now all happy new year. And to all my critics then, I once follow on and not say I do appreciate when you critique me, because when you do, it makes me a better person and it make I able to work more and do more for myself. I want to say thank you to everybody. Today, I just get quick thing the way I just want address. I want address my big brother, Chernoba. I want address today. I want address them because certain thing they are good for them you educate some people the way believe say they so land, but they also very empty in all that they do. So I want to address them today. It don't take me almost 3 years. I just say I know the address them, I know the talk about them. But then when it begin for make up stories where they are so not true, you know, me know the same person for come deal with me issues them more. Until I sabi me now, me I dey deal with me own issues them by myself. Now I wake up this morning, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, and I see Chernobyl don't go busy with Fatima Marabio, or Office of the First Lady. I truly appreciate what Chernobyl do or what he write. I appreciate him. So I just want for re-educate him again, so that he will understand. Say when we say we dey do investigative journalism, we for do investigative journalism with fact and not fiction, and no malice and nothing not for they be and the reason why. Now you come up with this you elaborative story about the office of the first lady. When I read all of the nonsense where I read, at first I just say, you know what, it's a garbage, just put on a bin and go. But because I don't get so many people where they concerned about it and they ask too many questions, I thought, okay, now I come address you small. Because sometimes, unless you re-educate an educated fool, you not go able to forget things then right. The office of the first lady, Cherno, just in case if you don't know, it is under the office of the president. And when you they put something about me, Fatima, or something that concern me as the first lady right now, put her with comparison to other first lady. Don't have a one-sided story. No make one-side story. Like where you don't put so how Fatima do from 2018. You for put how Siakuruma do for the last 11 years. And then put what Patricia Kaba do before then. Then that is when I know say you get your facts then right. Now the office of the first lady, just in case if you don't know, not a president bio creator. The office of the first lady don't day before now. So it not create office for the first lady. It was there because the first lady exists. Now, if the first lady exists, now one thing, and if the first lady the work is another thing. You can get a first lady where exist but not the work. and you can get a first lady where exist and they work and work tirelessly. Then I dey work, just in case if you don't know, channel, I dey work like a slave. You know why? Because I believe in Sierra Leone and I believe, say, yes, this country, hey, you leka, you no leka, me Fatima, Busa Sidon Ayasu, pass Mother Biogo, I know they move north side, and I day ya, then your face. I mean, your face for as long as you take. When you go put something about office of the first lady, now I want let you show me one thing where they show say, me Fatima Mother Bio, I don't take one penny from the state money and put them into my private account. Until you show me when I steal money and put into my private account, then I know, say, sir, you are talking rubbish and you are writing rubbish. 11 years of APC in this country. What I know about you is this. You did everything. You blackmail APC. You do all kinds of things until at the tail end of APC, when you know, say, they're not going to give you a job. That is when you begin to attack them. Because you don't know, say, you don't fail and you will not have a job through them. You begin to attack them. You always believe, say, you are the best and the better. The same President Bio become president of this country 2018. Channel, make I remind you. You go inside you motoka. You drive fala we go na bo. You go meet President Bio. Then you go through Guinea for go America. You go meet President Bio. What you go sell? You go sell yourself. And you go tell President Bio you want job for him. You want to make it give you a job. Because now you no more fit for there around President Bio. Now you no more fit for advise President Bio. You go there and talk so much rubbish about yourself. And you left and go Guinea. I hope so you remember that day, Nabo. You go Guinea. And then, oh, surprise, surprise, we go to the UN. What happened, Chernobyl? Now you get back the full community then. You come with you press singing for President Bio. You come to the UN. You come meet we at the hotel. Which you so-called, I don't know how many of them you bring up. Una come na hotel to we. You come pledge you love and loyalty for President Bio. For what? Because you wanted him to make you this, in spokesperson. I was there. Not to me make President Bio not give you job. Now you self-centeredness make President Bio not give you job. So no attack me to get President Bio because you'll be wasting your time. Until you show me, Fatima, was I me take money from this country? I take them and put them on my personal account. Then I know, say, yes, your investigative journalism, it didn't work. Until you show me where you write, say, Fatima used ABC. The office of the First Lady, it don't deny before I born, before I come. It don't deny. Not to me create them, I meet them. And the office of the First Lady, like I say, anybody will hold the position, they pay me, Fatima, as a person. They know they pay me salary. But if you want to write about what Fatima do, go within the sub-region of Africa and check other First Ladies then. Every First Lady, start with Nigeria. Nigeria First Lady in budget now $12 million in budget. I don't know if you hear me, if you hear me fine. In budget now $12 million, Nigeria First Lady. Now come now every other country within the sub-region. Every First Lady gets in personal budget. Personal. I don't know if you understand that word there. Personal budget. Then get them. Close home here to Liberia. In budget now almost $2 million per year. 2 million. Under all odds, with everything, she still work. Me without that budget, the money where you they talk about, where you they say I take, I eat in 6 months, Mister, I not touch him. Me hand not touch him. Everybody in this country knows say I launched the Hands of Our Girl campaign. And everybody in this country knows say I do waiting no other First Lady not able for do in this country. And that is bringing another First Lady into this country. I not bring one, but bring 6 other First Ladies within the sub-region. Bring 2 foreign ministry within the sub-region. Bring the head of the deputy head of ECOWAS and bring the deputy head of the AU. in in the whole of Africa, inside Sierra Leone, for come launch the Hands of Our Girl campaign. Now, would you feel say go pay the bill? When you want to let the world know who you are, when you want to let the world know what your country stand for, when you want to let the world know, say yes, you young government and the country where you day under, the president where you day under, that president day, he believe in gender equality. You have to do something for make the world know. So yes, I use that money towards that because all them people and the way they for come to this country, now somebody get for foot them bill. Anytime another first lady invites me for going in country, now in they buy me tickets. Now in they buy me PA in ticket, he buy me security then ticket, he buy me media people in ticket, now then can buy the ticket. So when then they come to me, the same thing applies. I buy them tickets. And when they come, now me they host them, now me call them in my country, I get for pay them hotel bill. So just in case, if you don't know, now that one day, I had over 32 guests within the sub-region wey come for the Hands of Our Girls campaign, wey come for can launch for me. And they'll all be supposed for fly can na Sierra Leone. They know they waka. Not to say that they just come out in the room, they waka go, they reach na Sierra Leone. Now plane get for bring the car. So I have to pay their airfare. And when you come up and down one day, when they reach na your country, now you get for feed them. Now you get for put them in a hotel. Who that they do that one day? Who say if it's the puller? Now the state get for pay for them because the president say we get for do whatever it take for make sure say the equality that Sierra Leone deserves, Sierra Leone gets. And if I use my platform as the first lady, I use it wisely to bring the attention to the world. I bring Sierra Leone and the world in attention. Now, I don't bring Sierra Leone. From the United Nations, everybody in the United Nations knows Sierra Leone today and they know Hands of Our Girl. So if we not be spend that money day, tell me, Mr. Chernoba, you that know everything, tell me how them for know what will they do in this country. Today, Sierra Leone is one of the best countries where the world they make us an example today. You know why? Because we are transparent and because we come out and let the world know, say, this government is a different kind of government. And the reason why the president empowered the first lady, just because you don't know, but Mr. Ba, now because we president believe in equality, gender equality. He not believe, say, in where for day na kitchen go sit on day, where in where get so much that he can offer to this country. At my age, I not one day tell you, say, me na pensioner. I not one day tell you, say, I don't retire. And that is the reason why I will use my energy, my time, my everything. As long as the government will pay them people the way supposed to pay, I will work. If you get a problem with that, please do continue for right. Now you they talk about my bank balance. You know why I am so pleased you bring up my bank balance where I'm happy? My bank balance, yes. That money day, now in government been put in an account because them they believe say 2020 I go do more campaign, I go do more things. So when we not use that, me not to that kind of person day. You self no say if not to this regime will they pass. So if not been there last regime day, that money day before the year they round, then go don't pull and come out in the account, then don't find solution for them. But I not do that one day. Money where I no use for the intended purpose where they gear for. Nobody know the toucher. Mr. Ba, now that make that money there. So if you say foreign office, then budget this, then budget that, maybe foreign office, they use their own budget. Because then it's supposed for user. Now make them call the foreign office. Then they put in the way they do. What in your office they do is called advocacy. My office is to promote and advocate for issues. If I no need for use the money, I know the toucher. So this year back, any money where they put the in the day until I get used for the money, I will not touch it. So please be ready for next year back because I pray let Corona done so that I will able to get more activities there and do more things then for let the world continue for no say Sierra Leone is a different place. We are now one of the countries then where then they all the time then they reference, not in a bad way, but in a very positive light. Now only people like you will not really want good for your country. Now you no more feel say you go. If you say if you target me, they get to mother bill. Hey, hey. Now you tell me don't waste because mother bill, it not the listen safe. Waiting there between me and mother bill that one day it is sealed and settled. Nobody, not you, not anyone, but they waste you 10. If you feel say let me attack Fatima, then mother bill they upset. Hey, now they tell they sleep with peace. You know why? Because it knows say they do what is right for this country. It knows say they can do what is right. Maybe you know they pass here. You know why you know they see him? Because you desperately want job from him, he not give you. And he know they give you job not because you blackmailer or you blackmail Fatima. You go only deserve that job if you deserve for get them. People that will deserve jobs, then they get them. You, your kind, not deserve them in this country. Yeah. So it better whosa you dey continue for the right, you trash them and make let other people then the one that way I do like you, make them go to circulate them and go to talk about them. I know the thief. Now me sit down na ya I talk say. For anybody who wish this country are bad, let God halakia. And for anybody who take from this country and use her otherwise, may God halakia. And I still stand by that one day. So me not waste me time for begin they can argue with you because I know say as I done this you go begin you. This one where you go begin and now you one it is on you now you one you go do it yourself until the only time when me they answer you again, Mr. Ba. Now the time where you go put when Sia Kuruma was the first lady in this country, put in bank account na do, and then identify the money where they put inside the office of the first lady. Then what it is used for. If you're not able to identify that one day, you go waste your time because you go talk and talk and talk and not go answer you again. Now the other thing also, make a bring to your attention. The office of the first lady, yes, it not there na the constitution as the office of the first lady, but does it mean the first lady does not exist? It exists, yeah. The other first lady there, even though them in they take money, where me know, then take them in they take money, say then they pay rent. Then they pay rent for office where they not use, they not get. The office na lodge na they been there. But yet still them in they take money. I just they give you a head start for waiting and know. Yet still them in they take money, say then they pay rent. $120,000. Now in them in they claim say na the rent in money. They not been they pay no rent. Now outside the money go. You know go ask that question there. Now me the cast where you already know analyze usai money where they put na first lady account usai go. Me not a signatory to that account. So make I tell you, I let you talk till you tire. Now waste your time because me no say no amount of money not the commot na that account day if it is not going to the intended cause, which is in the promotion of gender issues and promoting the girls' issues in this country. So write as much as you want. Go back to the sub-region and ask the other first ladies there. Start with Senegal, them first lady in budget, 2.5 million. Come to Liberia, 2 million. Go to Nigeria, 12 million. Now, where you the right? Now that one day they call say investigative journalism. Because you don't compare other first ladies them to me. But you write about Fatima no more. You go take you bogus papers, then put them on social media. Now you say you are doing investigative journalism. But then you not write about me immediate predecessor. We just come out. Where I believe say if you be they do investigative journalism, you go get the fact. Not only force open the office of the first lady account, Amita. Not only open now. Yeah? It be not they exist. So when you they lie with finesse, not lie with black lie. Not only open up. Office of the first lady, the only thing what I do new is I have an office, a building called Office of the First Lady. Now I'll give you other information. For 2 years, my office where I've been in a Spur Road, now me they pay, not the government they pay for me. Now me pay for me rent. And where I know say it is not sustainable, now I make the side where they now. Now me money owes. Now me get her. Just in case I remind you, this now the owes 2018, the day of the election, where them before, well, first round, where them before begin for count. The side where the soldier man and the policeman and can surround mother bill. Now that building, they now that day, now in my office, me man in owes. We make a million legal owes. I no go back, go lie to government, say, I need money for pay rent. No, I no do that one day. Now, check in your list. Where you they talk? Any penny where state they say, I use money for buy clothes for myself, I use money for buy motorcar for myself, I use money for transfer, move am from me and that account to a private account. I use money for buy air ticket for me pikin them, or pay me pikin in hospital bill, or take care of me pikin them. When you get them thing in day, now come back to me and tell me, say, Fatima don't spend government money in a way where you're not supposed to spend that. But if you say the money was spent in the campaign of Hands of a Girl, the biggest campaign where Africa don't ever see, the biggest campaign where the world resonates with, from the United Nations to the African Union, to ECOWAS, to WHO, China, Japan, every country, when they talk about Hands of Our Girls. My dear, if you're not proud of what your country has achieved, or if you're not proud, say, you get a first lady, we go out and do this kind of campaign that the whole world is talking about it. You feel say the president, where he win the compact, he just win the compact out of anything. No, he win the compact because all of this they assess. They assess our gender quality in this country. They assess the way we treat we women that we picking them. They assess the fight against corruption. Then they assess all of this. And not to say, not to say it matter be no get, use consultant, not pay person, not pay a lobbyist, it win them genuinely. Now the whole world put a criteria together and then put Sierra Leone and then think gender issues correct, children correct, corruption correct. You know what I mean, eh? Then correct and all. Now so by 2020, 2 years, Mother Bio gets the compact and eligible to compact. My dear, able 350 million and above for a compact, with the 2 million way they claim say the first lady spend. Which one better? It not better though we use that 2 million there, we do as much as we can so we can able get 300-400 million where we don't get. I not use money for me personal use, yeah, sir. I not buy shoes, I not buy clothes, I not buy wig, I not buy lipstick, I not buy makeup, I not buy nothing. Not for me, not for me picking, not for me man. It was spent on a government project, just in case. And I know you know, but I believe say your hatred for Fatima. You don't talk about me size, a fat because yes, like how you say, the government money, I don't eat and say I don't fat, but you don't have anywhere to prove it because you don't get no say when you go talk say now this Fatima don't thief today, it move from here to there. No, I am not a signatory to that account. That account, it is managed by the government of Sierra Leone. There is no way me, Fatima, I able to take 1 penny in that account. So now I make I'm not afraid for address you. So when you they talk facts, not talk fake. Not to me open account. Government of Sierra Leone, they open the account. And that account today, any money will go inside, it will only come out for pay. You they talk about paying furnitures for my office. Now also you want people like I can sit on the ground. I know if I work for myself, I don't work for government of Sierra Leone, even though they know they pay me. So I use the money for buy table, I buy chair, I buy computer, I buy air condition, and buy chairs them for guests outside and they sit down. So that when they come to the office of the first lady, let them not smell food in office because in office they're next to the kitchen. No. I give people them an option and change the idea of how you see your first lady. A first lady for be somebody where they serve, not to somebody where just they serve when it pleases. No, I dey work Monday to Monday. I not get day off. Monday to Monday. For what? I do it with pleasure, not for the money. So please, sir, when you want write, go write again. But the next time when you dey write, I hope say you will come with the facts then, and then you will also bring other first ladies their own budget and compare them to my own budget, and you also bring the previous first lady in your budget and compare them to my budget. I believe say when you don't do that one day, you say if you go to clap for me and say yes, you know what? She work for this nation because that's all I do. I want to say thank you so much to una all wey dey watch. And for una wey get concerned, abeg una no worry about Cherno. ACC dey. If ACC know say me, Fatima, I have access to government fund, Fatima as a person, then go come. And na the right for can see me. But till then, Cherno, go get your facts then right. Because you know what? We get a whole lot of gullible people, the way you lies them will just traumatize them and will just add, stress for them. If you cannot solve this country in problem, don't add stress for our people. Because Sierra Leone, we are moving, whether you like it or not, whether you are the spokesperson or non-spokesperson for Mother Bio, nothing is going to change. We are going to continue our job. We will continue what we do, and we will transform this country. And I believe, say, you get for left America one day, you can't sit down a salon bang, and all the way you go to enjoy. You go say, now that president who not been come up behind wef, who have been feel saying and wef for destroy. Now in do all this when me and me picking and enjoy today. So until then, enjoy Sierra Leone, because this country, yeah, we are moving. You stay in Corona America, yeah? We there, we are free. Hey, Corona, now we then they use as model. Now Corona. The capital, the what is problem in America right now, we don't make them, don't lock down the whole of Washington DC. Now Sierra Leone then they use as a model for say, if only America can do what they did in Sierra Leone. I said, my brother, the United Nations Deputy Secretary flew into this country, and you know what? She said, I want to see the First Lady of Sierra Leone. And when she saw me, one thing he asked me, your voice is a powerhouse in Africa, and I want you to use it for peace. And that's not the reason why, you see, I have been silenced. Not silenced because I want to be silenced. I have been silenced so that I can use my voice for better things, not to argue with people like you. But today, when you want to put thief in my head, I need for can clear the air, because I'm not a thief. I'm not fever oneself. If I not give, I know the take. And if I not give Sierra Leone, I know the take from Sierra Leone. So go find you thief, because you've been getting under your foot from 11 years and you said nothing. We are here. If you get problem, 2023 no vote. Me no say you no want to vote anyway. The party where you be there, now that party day, Mother be no win self. Mother be no sit on self 9 seats. You don't come begin ask for being spokesperson. And then they show say you're not traitor. Support your party till the end. That is what they call say patriotism. Stick with what you have. Me na SLPP. I did it. You get problem, you want come, I will give party card. Where you come, where you don't get party card, we check you fine. That's only if you want for be spokesperson, because spokesperson